Looks like we got a package here from YouTube. Wonder what that could be. All right, keep your eyes closed. Keep your hands in your lap and keep your eyes closed.
Can I just turn around and keep my eyes open? Tell me when to open them.
All right, hold on. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. All right, open. What do you think?
Your play button!
You think that's what it is?
Yeah. Your play button! No.
You want to open it up?
Yeah, let me.
All right, do it.
It's so cool! It's so cool!
What do you think?
Congratulations, Daddy.
Thanks, bud.
It's so cool. Hold up. It's
Check it out.
so
What do you
cool.
think?
Wait.
You want to touch it?
When's the diamond play button? When's the diamond
it does
play
look like a
button?
mirror. I don't know if I'll ever see that one. What do you think?
What? Don't say that.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Presented to PatriotDIY for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Passing?
Yeah.
Passing?
Isn't that cool? Thank you.
Good job. How will it stand up?
All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to turn your yard from this into this. Thanks for having me over, man. I really like your shop. Whoa. Make sure you go check out the Johnny Outlaw YouTube channel. I will have a link to that in the description below. And don't worry guys, I am not stopping at 100,000. We're gonna keep going. We have a lot of great videos coming up here on the channel. A lot of big projects, some woodworking stuff, some DIY stuff, shop tours, and all of that great stuff that you guys love to watch here on the channel. We got a lot of that coming up, so stay tuned. There's plenty more content coming out of the PatriotDIY channel. So thank you guys for all of your support. I can't tell you how much it means to me. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. 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 Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.